September's here. Cooler weather, colorful leaves, and fall allergies. Ragweed pollen peaks, mold spores rise, and your indoor air can trap it all. When windows stay shut, allergens like dust, pet dander, and mold spores build up, making sneezing, congestion, and itchy eyes worse. Fight back. Replace filters, use a HEPA purifier, vacuum often, and keep humidity between 30 and 50%. Take control of your indoor air this fall. Breathe easier all season long. Green Home Solutions. We make air better.